You need a light for your videos, but you're on a budget. I've got a perfect solution for you. Today, we are going to look at the ULANZI L1 Pro. Hey, it's me Jeremy, and today we're going to check out the ULANZI, or in Mandarin, ULANZI L1 Pro. We'll look at what comes in the box, the price and where I bought it, the build quality, its features, my thoughts about this light, and different lighting tests. So if you're ready, let's go check it out. And this is the box that it comes in. And here is the light. This light measures about 4 cm or 1.5 inches. There is an on-off button over here and a hidden USB-C charger over here. There's also a 1/4 inch strap for you to mount on different accessories as desired. The box comes with a set of instructions, hand strap, USB-C charging cables, a cold shoe mount, and this, my favorite thing. It comes with 20 colored filters or color gels. All you have to do is to attach this frame onto the light itself, like this. And then you can attach any color filters like that as desired. Currently, the price is around $30 US, but I found a shop in Lazada, Singapore selling it for only 30 Singapore dollars. I'll link the shop in the description below. Now let's talk about the build quality of this light. It is made out of plastic and weighs about 60 grams, or 0.13 pounds for my American friends. It is waterproof straight out of the box for up to 10 meters or 33 feet, much like your action cameras like the GoPro or the DJI Osmo Action. It has a 1000 mAh built-in battery and lasts for 80 minutes on maximum brightness, which is excellent for a tiny LED light like this. But if you have an external battery or power bank, then you can plug it in and continue to use it. Or if you are a magician like myself, then all you have to do is just split it and you have two. I feel that this light is perfect for vlogging in low light situations because you can easily attach this to almost any setup that you have. I've attached this to my DJI Osmo Action, I have a cage for it, and using the cold shoe adapter. Now we'll look at the 4 different brightness that this light offers. Now I will turn on the ULANZI L1 Pro on its #1 setting. And as you can see, it is very bright. It is, it is on its lower setting and it's really bright. This is #2. I think I'm overexposed right now. #3. And #4. Yep, you can pretty much light up the whole room. And so, like I mentioned, if you are using it in low light situations when vlogging, I think it's perfect. This is on its lowest setting, and look how well lit I am. This is just perfect. And lastly, I'll add some color gels or color filters on the light and see how it looks. And now this is the red light on #1 setting. I mean, look at that. It lights up the whole room, as you can see, right? And then this is #2 setting. Oh, it's very bright. #3 and #4. Looks a bit pinkish, to be honest, but it works pretty well. Okay, let's look at blue color now. And this is the blue light on #1 setting, which is the lowest setting, and then we have #2, #3, and #4. Look at that. It's super bright. Absolutely love it. And now the last one is the green. And this is the green color gel on #1 setting, #2, #3, and #4. As you can see, it looks a little bit yellowish, I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. But there we have it. Well, I've been using this light for a while now and I have no complaints so far. These lights are not the only ones that I use. I also use the Aperture AL-MX, which I highly recommend, of course if you have the budget for it. It is very compact and very useful when traveling. So if you have any questions for me, please leave them down in the comments. Lastly, if you are new to this channel and found this video informative, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. You guys take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.